Okay guys, welcome back. Can you hear me clearly? Okay, good. So in this slide, I will show you about the IC packages which we get from the manufacturer whenever we want to use any logic gate that comes in a package, IC package. So in one IC, you will find more than one gates. The similar thing you would have noticed when we were doing a multi-sim session, and whenever we try to put any gate on the design screen on the breadboard, whenever we try to put it, used to give us an option BCD. So I told you actually it's giving you option which one gate to use, A, B, or C, or D. So here in on the screen you can see I just put a slide here which is showing different gate packages in the form of ICs, and here you can see that there are in all ICs there are 4 gates. For example, this first one is the OR gate, top left corner. You can see the OR gate. The IC has a particular part number 74LS32. Okay. If you look at this IC, there are total 14 pins starting from 1 from the bottom left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 is on top right corner 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 pins in that IC. There are total 4 gates. Each gate has 3 connections. For example, this first gate, pin number 1 is input 1 of this OR gate. Pin number 2 is input 2 of this OR gate. And pin number 3 is output of this OR gate. Similarly, the other gates are connected to their respective pin numbers uh, and giving their output. So can you see there is a notch in this IC here? In the left side, you see there is a cut, a semicircle cut here. This is the indication so that you know that your number 1 pin is starting from here, from where this notch is. Okay, so nobody should be mistaken to start number 1 from the other side, from here where the number 7 is, where the number 8 is. Okay, so whenever you are looking at the IC and you see any cutout like this or a round circle made on top of the IC at this point where I'm hovering my cursor. So either there is a circle or there is a cutout like this. So this will show you that pin number 1 is right below this. Okay, keeping the cutout on the left side. So that's how you identify your pin number 1. Then you can easily follow the pattern in sequence. You keep on counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after number 7, the 8 will be right across. It will not go from the left again. It will be right across number 7. There will be pin number 8, and all the way you keep on counting. The last one will be for number 14 pin. Okay, so that's how you can see that in one IC package, if there is a 14 pin IC, and you can also refer to its data sheet. Data sheets are available on internet. You can just put in the part number and you will easily find the data sheet with its layout. This layout which I am showing you are taken from their respective data sheets. Now if you look at the layout, there are 2 pins, pin number 7 and pin number 14, which are not connected to any gate. Okay, basically pin 14 is for VCC. Here you supply the voltage for all gates to work. Okay, and pin 7 is the ground. The same pattern is followed in all ICs. If you look at all the ICs, you will see pin 14 as VCC, pin 7 as ground. Okay, NOR gate 7 for LS02, which is the second one I'm showing you. So the IC inside view is shown here. Okay, XOR gate with the part number is shown here, AND gate and NAND gate. So all are having two pins for VCC and ground. Okay, and in each package there are 4 gates. In the note, it is written that VCC should be 5 volts. It means you must give 5 volts to these ICs for working on the VCC, and the maximum input voltage should be 2 volts. What does that mean? It means, for example, this AND gate IC. So to each gate input, for example, if you are using gate number A, it has input on pin A, pin 1 and pin 2. So on these pin 1 and pin 2, your input should not be more than 2 volts. Okay, so maximum input to any gate should be maximum 2 volts. So 2 volts will be considered as high, and the lower voltage less than 1 will be considered as low or 0. So this was required to show you because you have some questions about the IC layout and where the VCC is, where the ground is. So I hope you now understand how to deal with this question. Any question from you guys? Please ask me now. Abdul Khan, can you hear me? Any question from you?
I think Abdurrahman is on a vacation.
Vacation, but still he's
Chief, Chief
showing up.
Commander Abdurrahman.
Okay, good, good. That's fine. You have no question. Okay, I will